Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Rebecca and I hope you're having a great, fantastic day. Now, in today's video, so this video and the next video, I am going to be testing, so this is part 2 of testing some new MUA makeup, and I'm going to be testing the new Rose range from MUA. So I have the Pro Base Nourishing Rose Facial Spray. I have also the Rose Facial Essence, which is pretty much like a face oil, and I also have the Rose Balm Nourishing Lip Gloss. So I have already tested the hyaluronic acid range from MUA. I'll put it up on the eye somewhere if you want to check that video out. But I'm going to be testing these 3 products in this video, and I'll let you guys know my thoughts about them. So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to, link is in the description bar below. So if you guys want to know my thoughts on the MUA new Rose collection, just keep watching. Okay guys, my hair has been messily tied back. So let's test out these MUA Rose products. I have the MUA Pro Rose Facial Essence. It's like a facial oil. I then have the MUA Pro Base Nourish Rose Facial Spray. And I have the MUA Rose Balm Nourishing Lip Gloss. It's like a nourishing lip gloss. Okay, so let's start with the oil here. All prices will be on screen here so you guys will know how much they are. So we'll start with this one first. So this is the MUA Pro Base Rose Facial Essence. So this is what it looks like here. So you've got loads of rose petals on the box and then you have the product right here. It says on the back of this, lightweight, nourishing facial essence containing rose extract and vitamin E. This super absorbent essence leaves skin looking radiant. And it says on there as well, you can recycle the cardboard and the glass bottle. I don't think the Pez dispenser thing, I don't think you can recycle that. But this and the box you can, so I think that's pretty good. So that's what it looks like here, guys. So it's pretty much just, yeah, a clear bottle. Very similar to the other oil I have, which I love from MUA, which is the one with the gold specks in it. I love that one. I love that oil so much. So let's see what this oil is like. So let's first have a smell. Oh yeah, you can smell the rose in it. But it's very, 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 very subtle. So if you're not a fan of rose, then you're probably going to be able to get away with this product because it's not too strongly rose scented. Okay, this is the sort of primer I love. I love oil-based primers. That's just my personal preference. So I love the way it went on my skin. It felt very hydrating and it feels very tacky. So I love the smell as well. But I'm a little bit worried because of the fragrance inside it. It might irritate some people's skins because I know some people have like very sensitive skin with fragrances. So that's my only concern. But it felt really, really nice, and yeah, I really like it so far. It's a nice oil, so we will see how a mattifying foundation goes. So I picked out this old gem from a long time ago. This one here, this is the Gosh Cosmetics Dextreme Foundation in 002 Ivory. You can't sadly get this on Superdrug anymore, but this is a very full coverage mattifying foundation, so I really want to try this. But before I do, I'm just going to go in with a couple of colour correctors and then we'll put that foundation on top. Okay, so I went in with just the Wet n Wild Mega Cushions. I've got the green one and the yellow one here, so one for brightening and one for redness. So yeah, that's why my face looks a bit strange. But with that all on top, they went on really well. They did blend out really well. They blended out easier than usual. So not sure if you can still get these. I got them from like Poundland here in the UK. So, but yeah, they're just a couple of colour correctors really, just to help colour correct. The reason why I've done that is because this foundation is so full coverage. I've done a review on this, so I'll link it on the screen here if you want to check it out. But yeah, this is so full coverage, you don't need a concealer for this. So that's why I thought I'd just do a little bit of colour correcting and just no concealer today. So what I'm going to do is apply this foundation, but mix in the oil with it, because this is so matte. It is so matte, this foundation. Yeah, I only need that much. You don't need a lot at all. Just going to mix it in again with a bit of oil. Oh, I might have been too much on my face. Ah, it's running down my face now. Just going to take my beauty blender. Okay, at first it was really tough to blend and I was like, oh my gosh, what have I done? But what I should have done was actually got the foundation, drop the oil in, mix it together, and then applied it to the face. But once I kept buffing it in with the beauty sponge, it eventually blended together and it worked just fine. So this foundation really is matte, but it has, I don't know, it sort of helped it to not be as matte, if that makes any sense, on the face. So it has really helped to make it more like a semi-matte. Not make it dewy, but it has made it slightly a semi-matte, so it's not as matte as what it usually is. So that primer definitely has helped. I do prefer the other one to this one, but this one's not a bad primer at all. Like, if you want something, an oil base on your face, but not too oily, then I think you'll like this. So yeah, if you have oily skin, then just maybe not apply as much of this oil on your face. So I'm just going to chuck on some cream blusher now and set my face. Put on a bit of bronzer and highlighter. This is the I Heart Revolution Light Contour Palette, the MUA Full Coverage Matte Powder, and the Revolution Super Dewy Liquid Blush. Just going to chuck these on my face, and then we'll test out the setting spray and the Rose Nourishing Lip Gloss. Okay, so that's the rest of my base makeup all done. So let's apply the setting spray now. So this is the MUA Pro Base Nourishing Rose Facial Spray. So this is what it looks like here. You've got the rose petals all over it, and then you've got the lid. So it's a very little baby pink bottle. It says on here as well, Nourishing Microfine Misting Spray containing calming rose extract and vitamin E. Give your skin a boost throughout the day with this weightless formula that applies easily with an invisible finish. So with an invisible finish. Okay, so let's see what the mist is like. You can smell the rose in it. Okay, so it's sort of like a very light, gentle mist. Okay, let's see what this is like sprayed back. So I'm going to be out of focus for a second because I just need to spray this on my face. Okay, it is sort of the deal with the hyaluronic acid spray. It has got an aggressive spray to it, but this one is a little bit more softer than the hyaluronic acid one. It said the makeup okay, but yeah, I think you have to step back just a little bit further back with this setting spray, but it's not as aggressive as that one. So I could pretty much get away with this one. So you could use this as a skincare treatment as well. But it has set the makeup in place. I don't see... no, I don't see any like driplets or anything like that on my face, unlike the other spray. But this has set my makeup okay. And it's definitely taken away some of the powderiness. So yeah, if I step further back, I'll be able to use this setting spray because it's not that aggressive. So I don't mind this setting spray. I think it's really good. I think it's done the job anyway. It's not made my skin look any more dewy or illuminating. So, but it's done the job and it's got rid of the powderiness. So yeah, I think this is an okay setting spray. So last but not least, let's just try the lip gloss on now. So this is the Rose Balm Nourishing Lip Gloss. And it says on the back of it, sheer lip gloss with rose extract and vitamin E. I tell you what, my lips, they need it right now. They really, really do. Oh, isn't that just so satisfying? Oh, so satisfying. But they are so dry, so I really need something nourishing on my lips right now. So that's just the applicator. It's just a very, very small doe foot applicator. You can't really smell any rose in this. This feels very nice on the lips. It feels very nourishing, very comfortable. You could wear this on its own or pair it up with a liquid lipstick. Once it's dried down, you can add this on top, or a lipstick if you wanted to, just to add a little bit more shine. So it is definitely shiny. It does feel nourishing. It feels very comfortable. It's pretty much doing the job what it says it does. Nourishing lip balm, so it is a lip gloss, but it's got rose and vitamin E extract, so it's meant to help keep the lips very hydrated and not dry them out. So yeah, my lips are so chapped right now and they're so dry, but I feel like it's doing the job. I think it's a very nice hydrating lip gloss. Not much to say about it. Oh, and it doesn't feel sticky at all. So yeah, I think this is a nice little hydrating lip gloss. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video today. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to. Link is in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, stay safe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye guys, take care.